guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jada Vinci. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair, my makeup. Yeah, it's a super easy, very beginner friendly, I don't know about you guys, but I really try to keep my tutorials beginner friendly because if I could do it, I want you to know that you guys could do it. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up and let's start. Okay, so I am so crusty. Some cocoa butter. I'm over here trying to start this tutorial and my face is ash. So we're gonna go in with our instant edge control. You can find this at your local beauty supply. And I really like this. If you have 4C edges or if you have like really thick hair, it just glides on and slicks your shit down. It just, when I mean, yeah, I was just like, I wanted to do a chit chat, get ready with me on an everyday basis when I'm going to work, especially with this wig in particular. So we got a sleek. We'll style it, like style it at the end, because I have not styled it in like years. Really hasn't been. Could have been years, but whatever. Let's put our edges in. So when we know where we want it, we're gonna just simply spray the Got2b glue right here. That's it. That's all we're gonna slick down, because our sides are already slicked down. So just a minute. You guys see, we just sprayed it into this area. Hit it with the helicopter. I'm just playing, but yeah, this is literally all that is happening. Later on today, I think I'm gonna do a Bantu knot on my natural hair. And I have 4C hair, so it's gonna be a vibe. We're gonna just get that wig on where we want it. So we're gonna just pull it down and place it on our face. Just like that. We get something with nice edges. We got combs that we will just slide in. Another thing that we are gonna do, I just like kind of pull the hairs down, like just a few down in the front, like this. So I just pull down hairs like this, and then I'll take a bobby pin. Like I'm really doing this YouTube thing. So we got our brows on, brows are all ready. And now that I've been like really using this Tarte, I really enjoy it, but I want to get a color that's like lighter. Like I need this lighter. We're really up close. So I hope you guys enjoy the fact that we're up close because we're really here. For today's makeup look, we're gonna use our Morphe palette. We're using the Morphe palette because I know a lot of people have it. I can't find my Jaclyn Hill palette. I hope somebody didn't steal it. The first transition shade we're gonna start off with, I guess I can show you guys, is this little yellowy shade. Okay, so we're going to swoosh it around. We're gonna go for this brown shade that's just right next to that yellow shade we just used. Or better yet, orange, brown, whatever. Let's just zoom in a bit. And we're gonna just kind of pat that in first. I think I wanna try drag makeup. Never tried it. Could be fun. So I'm gonna just go in with this tiny e.l.f. brush to place this brown shade down. This will just help any harsh edges. This brown shade, because I don't really want anything like black. I'm really going for like a chocolate brown. Like we could wear this for sure for Thanksgiving. These are definitely boyfriend's family's house for the first time, and I want them to know that I'm about this shit. So we're here. Honestly, I don't think I want to go on with anything on my lids. Like, you know, I normally would, but she's really a cute little vibe right now and add a wing, okay? All right, so we got one liner on. Let's go ahead and put the other eyeliner on and we'll be right back. Eyebrows, eyelashes checked. We're going to simply take off our scarf so we can start on our face. But for the for today's primer, we're gonna go in with our Too Faced Hangover primer. I don't know about you guys, but I actually have been getting lit and I've been having a hangover. But this primer is really hydrating. For the foundation, I'm gonna take my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Tahoe. Okay. Like with the Kat Von D foundation, I noticed that that's for sure transfer proof. But this one, this is going to get everywhere. But the kind of shirt that I have on today is like perfect, so that's what I noticed with this. This gets everywhere. Like, I always already get compliments on my makeup, but I've been getting a ton of compliments. Like, oh my gosh, what do you use? And I'd just be like, you don't watch my videos? Because everything is there. Before I do my concealer under my eyes, I get my setting powders ready. And I'm using the banana powder. I don't have much left.
Girl, all the yeah. Y'all know who I am,
right? Okay, so now we're gonna go on top, yes, with our Cover FX powder. I'm just gonna take my Cover FX. If you watch any of my videos, you know that I love this palette. This is all that I wear. So, this is from the drugstore. And it's funny because whenever I see people use the same stuff, like I'll be seeing big YouTubers use the same products that I use, like the exact same products, and I'm like, damn, they watch my videos. Put that there. But just know, you're doing a damn thing. I guess I can show you my outfit too, because my outfit is cute. Well, it's just like really plain, but we look cute. We're gonna just use our Pat McGrath blending brush. And then after, we will need to bake the sides of our nose. Let's go on with our blush brush. So we'll just use this rose, because this is what we have. And this is just Becca, it's brown. So I really enjoy this blush. We're gonna use our DIY highlight. And you guys, this is so pigmented, but our DIY highlight, it's super pigmented. It's more pigmented than any highlight that I've ever used on my, it was $1, you guys. Like, I don't see why I would ever need to get another highlight in my life. Like, I mean, it's nice. Like, it's, to me, it looks natural, you know, like it's cute. This highlight is banging. Like, this is a bad mamma jamma. Because we don't have anything here, so we're gonna just add it. My eyelashes are in the way. Inner corners of our eyes. Yay! We are going to set our face with the rose water spray. We're gonna put our mascara on and then our lips. Today's lips, I think we should be Fenty. So we're gonna use Huda Beauty's Spice Girl. I just have on these True Religion jeans. This cropped little shirt. It was like super cheap. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. I'm about to clean up this kitchen real quick and then I'll be headed out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me from tragic to fabulous. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. More like messy vibes. Is like, oh my gosh, her hair is so cute. What did she do? Nothing. All right, guys. Oh my god. This is my daddy's favorite dance. All right, I'm done. You know when you feel fabulous, you look fabulous, and you are fabulous. Be great.
only in my section. Bitches only, and that's a lesson.